Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is kingsfx trader here. On this channel, today I'm going to be showing you something. I'm going to be applying what I taught you in my previous video. If you have not watched the video, you can go and watch the video where I dropped the three things you need to do so that you will never blow your account. Three things you need to do to become a profitable trader. If you want to be a profitable trader, if you don't know about these three things, you will find it very difficult to be able to grow your account or succeed in this field. So I have to mention it here so that you know what I'm talking about. That once you open a chart, and that's what I want us to apply today. It's not about teaching and everything. We need to apply it and see those things working. Okay, we need to apply it to see those things working. Now, let me just place a sell as we proceed, continue with the so I'm going to use 0.20. okay, the lowest loss size, because I'm going to place two position now. I'm going to sell again. Okay, so I'm done. So what I'm saying is that before you enter any trade, according to my my previous video, I explained everything about this thing now I'm about to apply here. Okay, now no matter the strategy, this is the reason why you are actually losing your trade. Like, you are blowing your account, you have been taking strategies, even paid and free strategies online or signals and everything, and it seems like this thing is not working. You have not been profitable. You grow your account to a certain amount, you blow it back. The reason is not that I said this on the previous video. It's not actually that the strategy is wrong. Maybe, okay, it's not actually that the person who dropped the signal is actually wrong also. But the problem is that you did not do your own background work, you did not do your own homework, you did not do your own at least as a trader, there are some basic things you need to know. There are some basic things you need to check before you enter a trade. Even if you're a beginner, there are basic things. And these are the three things I showed you guys on the previous video, which is number one is that you have to check the trend. Number two, you have to check the demand and supply area, that is support and resistance area. You have to check a signal entry. So if you open your chart, the first thing you do is to check the trend. Okay, so I don't want to repeat myself again because I have already dropped the video on this. So I just want us to apply it here so that you see how these things work. Now, if you check the trend, after checking the trend, you check support and resistance. You draw your support and resistance. After drawing it, then you now wait for your entry signal. Or setup. This is when you now apply those strategies you are using add indicators or do this or do that. That is when you apply those things, not when the market is actually going up. Like, let me just show you what I mean by that. Now, this is I've placed a trade on I think boom 500, which has been on loss for a long time. Okay, let's see. Okay, even though we had a little spike, but I placed this trade when this thing have been here. Okay, our condition, for instance, this strategy is that all these lines except this one that is up, okay, this one is for when we are selling, so that these lines will converge will be between 20 and 10 before you place a buy. Okay, it will be between 20 and 10 before you place a buy. But this line have been there was no spike. Okay, this line have entered there at this point somewhere here, but there was no spike for a long period of time. And you can see the spike that came was very small, and the price keep going down. When you are using this kind of strategy, somebody have told you that once all this line converge except from this up one, once this line, let me just change that blue line there let me change this to so that it will not be confusing to purple. It's still almost the same thing with that, so I have to do something. Let me change it to this. All right, so once all these lines, the green, the red, the blue converge at level 10 and 20, you should buy. And now they are there, you have bought, and the price keep going down, 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 down. I know most of us have experienced this. You are waiting to catch a spike and the price keep going, and you'll be like, what is happening? The line is there. The moving, if you are using moving average cross, the moving average have crossed. This one is this. You become confused, as in you just see yourself confused, and you think, this strategy is not working, this person scammed me, this person is not real, this and that. This person is real, but the person did not actually show you the secrets, did not show you how you can maximize your profits, how you can trade this thing profitably. Now let me show you the reason why this thing happened. Let's just go to let's say 1 hour time frame. Can you imagine? Can you see that this is a downtrend? Like this, you don't even need anybody to tell you that this is a downtrend. This trend has been down, and look at where we are expecting a spike. Even if the spike will even come, is at this point where we have our support right here, a kind of support. So we're expecting the price to get down there before you start seeing a spike up. Okay, so let me do away with this line, these ones. All right, so this is actually where we might be expecting a spike at that point. But as you can see, our conditions have been met, but the price keep going down. The reason is that you are trading against the trend. You did not check the trend before you enter your trade, so you will definitely be losing a lot of money. You must trade with the trend. If it is an uptrend for a boom, you then look for opportunity to catch spikes. Its spike will easily come when you are trading with the trend. If it's an uptrend and you are catching a spike, good. Once your condition has been met and you enter a trade, you see spike coming. But once it's a downtrend and you are catching spikes, you're on boom and you're catching spikes on a downtrend, it will take time for the spike to come. So the spike will not come. The line is there. We can see that the lines have been there for a very long time, and the price keep going down. Okay, the price keep going down and the line have been there. So this is the problem we are having. Most of us have. This is the problem most of us have. We'll be shouting, okay. Then remember I placed a trade, right? You guys remember as I opened this chart, I placed a trade. Just I want to show you. I love teaching live. I love when I'm talking, you are seeing them. Okay. Now, if I go to the trade I placed, it should be on crash 500. Okay. Let's see. This is 1 hour. Have you seen that this is a downtrend? The trend have been down for a very long time. Have been downtrend. So that's why when I opened my crash 500, I discovered that the price have converged at selling level. Okay, and I placed as an overbought, and I placed a sell, right? And that's why spikes will be coming. Okay, if you check, the spike came, and I was talking then now that this spike came, all right, and we are having a kind of pullback again before the spike continue coming. If I just zoomed in for you to see, but the strategy is that you have to zoom out completely. All right, you see how easy spike keep coming. If I want, I will go and place more trade on this because I have seen that the spike will be coming. You see how easy it is, so that you not go and place a trade and you keep waiting for a spike to come. You wait and you lose your entire money. Some of you keep shifting your stop loss down, thinking that I might close now and the spike will come. I might close now and the spike will come. And you keep shifting and you keep shifting and shifting until your account is gone. That's the problem. You must understand the trend. You must understand where the market is going. Then you have to check your support and resistance too, to know where the price respects, know where the price will always come and react. There are certain places that the price will always come and you see the price, try to, the price consolidates or the candlestick starts, consolidating on that point, or you start seeing quick rejection, which is a entry signal, then before you start placing your buy or sell. So this is basically one of the problem why we have not been profitable trading. Okay, so if we let me check crash 1000. Currently we don't have any trade. Yeah, but this strategy is one of the best. Okay, this strategy now, I just remember what I'm doing here in this video. I'm showing you a strategy how to catch spikes, then I'm also teaching you how to become a profitable trader, how to avoid blowing your account, losing all your money, taking random signals, and watching videos. And I told you that it doesn't mean that the video, no matter the channel you watch the video on, or website you watch the video, is not. It doesn't mean most of the video that you keep criticizing, or keep writing bad comments on, it doesn't mean that the videos are wrong. The problem is that you did not do the little assignments you have to do. You don't have to. You don't wait for the person creating the video, or any maybe the tutor or anybody to keep telling you. If there are basic things they won't tell you, and that is exactly what I'm telling you. There are basic things you need to know. That's why you see them. Maybe if you are trading, they will tell you, okay, this one will buy or that, it will just happen. But when they give you to do yourself, it won't. But because they know those things and they do it, they don't want you to know, or they feel like it's not important. Because once you know all these things, you then go and start trading yourself. You won't be depending on their signals and all those things. So this is exactly what I'm here to show you, that you can actually start trading profitably without spending money on signals and all those things. You can trade profitably. The only thing is that sometimes you need to invest. People don't understand the importance of investing in their self. Invest in knowledge. Don't just depend on people's signal. Don't depend on kingsfx signal. Okay, don't depend on my own signals. I'm even telling you myself. You don't depend on people's signal. Try investing in yourself to get this knowledge. These are very simple stuff that you can do. Just get this knowledge, and you see yourself, you improve. You see yourself making a lot of money here. Okay, so that is exactly what I want to show you. Then this strategy is just simple. You will zoom in. Look at this is first zoom level, second zoom level, third. This is second, third, and final. Okay, using a mobile phone, this is final zoom level. So what you need to do is that you zoom out completely, as you can see. So once you zoom out completely, you are waiting for a situation where all these lines, you see all these lines here. For a crash, you are waiting for a situation where all the lines, apart from, we have the blue line. Let me show you right here. All those lines converge at over bot region. Then you enter a sell. If you enter a sell to catch spike on crash, remember, before you do that, you have to check the trend, maybe using a higher time frame, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily time frame, to see the trend. As you can see here, this is a kind of let me see, is a downtrend. Okay, it's a downtrend, though is the price currently is a downtrend. We are waiting for the price to get to this support so that we know whether it will reverse and start going up. That means the price will start ranging at this point, but it's not yet confirmed the ranging markets yet. Now, if you see this kind of thing, this is a downtrend currently. So you need to go to 1 minute time frame and wait for this line. As you can see, once it converges, you have the spikes. Okay, if you back test, you see that the spike keep coming, because this is the trend. This is a downtrend, and you are looking for drops that is spike down. It will keep coming. But if you are on crash 1000 and you see a clear uptrend on a higher time frame, why should you be targeting to catch spikes or catch drops? It's going to be difficult now. You should reason it yourself. These are simple things you need to know. So basically, this is what I want to show you on this video. Now, if I go to okay, this is my setup. Okay, let me show you the setup. Remember guys, if you like this video, please smash that like button there. Please, it will help a lot. It helps a lot. It helps a lot. Smash the like button, then leave a comment. If you have any question on this, leave a comment below. If you want to learn all these things, this simple stuff, I call it simple stuff, though it's a kind of it's not I don't know how to put it anyway, but for me it's very simple. Not that it's simple. When I started, it was very difficult for me then, but when I got to understand that the problem is that some of us, we started at the wrong, maybe having the wrong mindset and other stuff, and that was the reason why we are facing difficulty. That may be the reason why we are facing difficulty. You might go and start with some platform that keep telling you that forex trading is difficult just because they want to get more money from you. That mindset can actually change your trading career throughout your lifetime, because you start seeing even simple things as difficult stuff. So these are very simple stuff, but you just need to know the basics. Then from there, you invest in yourself, give it your time, patience, and you will see yourself improve. So now, if you want to learn forex trading from scratch, you can hit me up at kingsfx trader on Telegram. I will drop the link on the description of this video. I will also drop my number. You can call me. You want to talk to me or you want to speak with me, any of them, then you can call me. I will drop the numbers on the description of this video. Then join my free Telegram group, is also there if you want to join. Then the setup for this strategy now, is you have stochastic as usual. See the settings. The only difference is that we have levels here, the level 10, 90, 20, 80. So between level 80 and 90 is our overbought, and our level 10 and 20 is our oversold. Then remember to change this color to be your background color. If you are using dark background, you change it to dark. That is these two styles here, the color, the main and signal. Change it to your background color. Okay, I'm using white background, that's why it's white. You click on done. The second thing here is moving average 1. That is our signal and our entry moving average, the short moving average, anyway, short period moving average, period 1, shift 0, and you have seen it. You just change the color to any color of your choice. The next is the envelopes. So you see the period 50 envelope, then you see the shift 0 deviation 0.618. so you have seen all these things. Set it up and you click on done. Then the last indicator here is alligator. Okay, you have seen the settings. We have just 13.88553 smoothed. Then put the colors this way. Then after that, you click on done. So this is basically the indicators we are using. Okay, they're basically the indicators we are using. Once they converge at oversold region for a buy, now we are catching spikes. So once they converge at overbought region, you do what? Place your sell. All right, once you see them like this here, you place your sell. You can see they keep happening. You just need to wait, but always remember to check the trend before you start anything you are doing. Always remember, that is the advice, that is the kind of one thing you must know. Always remember to check the trend before you enter the trade. Please, I'm begging, check the trend. So that is how simple this video is. Basically what I want to show you is that secret. Okay, I just wanted to prove to you that this thing works with this strategy. Okay, you can actually apply this strategy, trade with them, but just try and check the trend, check the support and resistance area, then see a signal, add up your indicator as a signal for entry. Okay, add up your indicator, this indicator as a signal. Just use this indicator as an entry signal. Once it's an overbought level and I've checked my trend, I've drawn my support and resistance, then I enter my trade. Okay, this is how simple these things work. No matter the strategy you are using, this thing works. Okay, so guys, enjoy the video. I know that you guys enjoy the video. If you don't, maybe if you don't like the video, if you don't like the secret I've revealed, maybe I've spoiled business for you, I am very sorry, but this is me, and I can't I can't compromise, and that's have been my goal and my wish and how I work. So I wish you guys well, and I hope to see improvement in your trading. And I also hope to see you commenting or leaving a comment on how this video have changed your trading career. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.